I have in my hand here a 10 meter professional BNC with power to BNC power cable. So basically you can see the two ends of it here. So you have it just uncoiled there. So it comes in this outer bag here, which gives the actual length of it, things like that. This is really handy if you are stocking a range to have each of them labelled individually. We had these specifically made for us simply because the quality on a lot of the BNC cables aren't as good as what we have here. So we've just gone for thicker cable and a higher copper content on it. So it's really impressive from that perspective. So if we just look at the connectors again, what we have on both ends in terms of carrying the picture, we have the BNC connection, they're identical. But in terms of the power then, we have one to take the power off the power source and the other one to connect directly onto the camera. And if we just see here, it's a 2.1 millimeter power jack and socket, and they just slot together like that, but obviously in different ends, okay? So the power thing will go here. So overall, we'll say we just made a decision that we just wanted to expand the range out and give our customers extra choice. So we've gone here, we'll say, with a 10 meter version, we have a 20 meter version, and because of the quality of the cable here, we've been able to extend out the range of the pre-terminated cables to include now 35 meter and 50 meter in the 50 meter end. In truth, on the 10 meter end, it won't always make a huge difference. It's always better to use better quality cable, but this one here, we'll say, has proved to be quite high spec and definitely proved popular for people who want guaranteed good results and no problems with their cable, and also professional installers. Just one final note, let's say, is you can of course, let's say, buy rolls of RG59 with power on them and terminate and things like that, but to get it this way is actually much better, I find anyway, because it takes a lot of the guesswork out. It's all been pre-tested in the factory, ready to go, and particularly if you were doing it in an attic, something like that, you can just roll out the cable immediately and have your cameras up and running in a matter of minutes. So that's it anyway, an overview of the professional 10 meter BNC and power cable.